Hi, my name's Brooke with WTI. If you are looking to treat yourself to the perfect wallet, check out this one by ColdFire. This is RFID blocking, so I am very secure. I'm happy that I don't have random purchases from strangers because they can't get my Wi-Fi electronic cards through this awesome 3K carbon fiber blue cover. I feel so good when I'm around large crowds because of this. I also love the way that it looks. It's so elegant and beautiful, and I like the fact that even though it is durable and strong and it can hold up to all my adventures, it does not take away from the elegance of it and how streamlined and classic looking it is. I love the zipper. It's very easy to open. I can tell it was made very well, and it's easy to close as well. It's really nice to have everything inside the wallet secure without anything falling out. I like all the compartments on the inside. It really provides enough space for everything that I need. Inside has the blue genuine leather, and it smells so nice. I have my currency billfold slot in the back. I have 4 card holders, 2 side slots where I can stuff more currency or cards. I even have a change pocket, which is just an added bonus, and it has a little clip as well. So I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this wallet. It's not only made well, it's durable, it's made with some material that's meant to be put to work. I like how easy it still fits into my pockets, and it really is the perfect size. So if you want to treat yourself to something that's really special, definitely check this out. But that's just my point of view.